All right, let's talk about what is going on in the weather department. Gorgeous weather out there today, perfect for the Great American Race, but tomorrow things are going to change.
Yeah, I feel like the second the 500 starts, we'll be watching the radar pretty closely. We will see rain showers, but also warmer temperatures as we wrap up your weekend. And the combination of the two may lead to a stronger storm or two. So we'll have that impact weather for the afternoon designated for tomorrow as we are breezy and wet to wrap up the weekend with a cold front rushing across central Florida. After its passage, though, we are anticipating a very sharp cool down to start off your upcoming work week. And so far, it's been a hot start to the month of February. In fact, this is the second warmest that we've been so far, with an average afternoon high of 82.5 degrees. Now, the warmest on record, that was set nearly 100 years ago, back in 1927. And to put things into perspective, the seasonal average to this point in time is right around 73, 74 degrees. Today, we're well above that. 84 is where your thermometer stopped if you were in Orlando, and we could be an additional degree higher tomorrow in Daytona, where our tower cam is set right now than in Orlando. 81 degrees as we now are transitioning into the start of your evening. 78 in Ocala, 82 out towards the Villages, 79 in DeLand, and 73 up north in Palm Coast. What we're watching out for tomorrow, it's this area of low pressure. We're pretty far away from it, but you see the cold front does extend all the way into northern Texas across I-20. That's what's going to be sweeping our direction tomorrow, increasing your threat for strong breezy conditions and some heavier showers to our north. So we'll be watching this frontal boundary. That's going to be the main weather changer tomorrow and then into Monday as we roll into the work week. Your next 12 hours shape up like this, staying warm tonight, cloudy to start off your evening. Those clouds separate and then we dip down into the upper 60s to start off the day. But the clouds will come back as we do have impact weather designated for Sunday afternoon. From noon to 5, we'll be watching the winds rather closely, and there will be a chance for a strong or severe storm in our northernmost counties. It's a marginal risk outlined across I-75 in Marion County, but we have the winds and also the rain on Futurecast right now. And we see those breezy conditions starting to pulse up across I-75. 38-mile-per-hour gusts on Sunday before the rain comes in. And some of these gusts could be upwards of 35 to maybe even 40-plus miles per hour. First few showers in Volusia County right around 2. And we'll see the ongoing rain push towards the south between 2 and 3. It's right over the Daytona 500 there. Showers should push offshore between 5 and 6, and we're left with drier and cooler conditions heading into the work week. So your high tomorrow, that's going to be 85 degrees, but we drop down into the upper 60s on Monday. So we'll see that frontal boundary pull to the south. We're drier Monday and Tuesday. Sunshine returns, but it's central Florida. We can't stay sunny forever. We'll be watching our next system of low pressure increase your work week temperatures heading into Wednesday, but another chance for rain will be coming our way, and rain is something we need. We're in quite a deficit for the year, below our seasonal average by 2.02 inches, and it's been 23 days since the last time we saw some rain. Got two strong chances in the next few days ahead, a 50% chance tomorrow, and then another one on Wednesday. Temperatures increase, but so does your chance for precipitation, and then following that cold frontal passage, we'll drop down into the 70s and 60s Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.